Yo, what is up you guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use this wool right here to make this beautiful French curls that I use to make my beautiful French braids. Please watch this tutorial to the end so that you don't get to miss anything. So for this tutorial we're making an ombre French curls. So I cut the blonde to be longer and the black to be half of the length of the blonde, if that makes sense. So I begin to brush them out so that it will be easy for me to blend them together. I brush the black and then I brush the blonde. So now that I am done brushing, I take this extra step to make blending so much easier. I pass this through a straightening iron at the temperature of 200 degrees, which is a high heat settings. Like I said in my previous tutorial, that the fiber this is made of is a lot stronger than your regular chemical on braiding hair. So you have to use like a higher heat settings to actually get this to work. So I pass this a few times just to get it softer and easier to blend. And I do this same process for the black and then I begin to blend. So I welcome you all today to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. My name is Jim Frances Izumi, and if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button and join the family. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, because someone asked a question in my previous tutorial where I just showed a bunch of ways where you could, curl your Brazilian wool, and this video right here is like an answer to that question. So comment down below, I'll be there to reply your comment. If it's a one that requires a whole video, I'll be there to make it for you guys. Please always engage me in the comments and I'll be there to reply your comment. Don't forget to ring the bell icon to stay tuned, and share with friends and family and anyone who you feel need to see this. Keep watching. So once I am done blending, I brush that out and I take a size that will be good enough to pass through the straightening iron and then straighten it. This is the main straightening that is required. The very first straightening was just to make the hair so much easier for me to blend. You could skip that if you can just brush and blend straight away. I just don't want to experience any form of tangles while doing that, so I felt like that is a way to make the hair softer and easier to blend. So this is where you actually need to straighten. This is the point where you need to actually straighten this hair out. So I pass this a few times until it is silky smooth. You want to make this really smooth so that you get the best result. Now look how shiny and silky that turned out. So I'll be curling this using my PVC pipe right here. So I place it like so on the pipe and I start wrapping. Guys, I wrap this really flat and tight around the PVC. And why I do this, I secure with my index finger to make sure that it doesn't loosen up or unravel. So I comb through where need be just to make sure that the end result I get with this is really smooth and tangle free, especially when you're separating it for your braid. That is really important. So once I get to the end, I wrap whatever that is left really tight. But if I am not confident enough that that could secure it, I place some rubber band over that to just keep it secured and in place. And then I move over to the other side and repeat the exact same process. And that's that for coiling. So this is what I have now that I am done with coiling. I place them in the bowl, put some conditioner over that, and pour some hot water over it as well. So once I am done with this, I'm gonna have to leave this to air dry completely. So this is what it looks like completely dry. So I'm going to take that out of the pipe, and this is what I have. So you guys, I have to do this in batches because I have just 2 PVC pipes. So I have to do about 3 per day, and it took me about 2 to 3 days to get that done. And for the record, I used just 1.5 pack of this wool, 1 pack of the blonde and half pack of the black. And guys, look at how that looks once you lift it up. So beautiful, silky, shiny, luscious. Guys, look at the color blend, so perfect. I love it. So guys, because French braid is a lot, I have a whole video dedicated to that coming next, where I show you how to use this beautiful French curls that I achieved right here to make those beautiful French braids. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for stopping by. See you guys on my next one. Bye.